If you've got barbed wire fencing on your farm, ranch, or homestead, you're going to want a pair of these fencing pliers.
These are specialized pliers for fence work. They've got grippers, grabbers, a hook, and even a hammer. You'll want a hammer also though. That hook can be used to dig out staples that were driven in way too hard. Now we can use the grabbers and the hook to pry out that staple. The built-in hammer on the pliers can start staples, but that's about it. Just not enough weight. Side cutters on each side of the pliers for cutting barbed wire. Lots of grippers and grabbers to open up wire, pull off barbs, whatever you want to do. Fence pliers are also very good at holding wire, so I can get tight wraps. And here's how to use those back grippers, the grippers on the back of the pliers. You can use it to stretch a wire. Crimp down on the wire tight, and then use the handle as a lever to pull the wire tight. Keep pressure on that wire with the pliers, and then we can start a staple. Make sure to put your staple right behind a barb. And now we can make our wire wrap around the post. This will not be as tight as fence stretchers could do, but good enough for ranch work. You can do all kinds of things with fence pliers. Here I'm going to try to tighten up this guy wire on this corner. There should be a piece of rebar or a stick to hold everything tight. We'll see if we can get a few more wraps, tighten everything up. Fence pliers are also a good measuring guide for spacing wires. Usually comes out to be about 4 or 5 nubs on that fence post. Measure or count, and then the pliers will cinch that clip down onto that T-post.
See you next time out here on the fence line at the Windmill Garden.